how to delete your TikTok account in 2023. Whether you're taking a break from TikTok or you've decided to move on, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your TikTok app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to access your TikTok profile. Once you're here, tap on three horizontal line in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Setting and Privacy option. Under Settings and Privacy, select and tap on the Account option. Then, you'll see the Deactivate or Delete Account option on the below. Now, tap on it. Here, you have two options. You can deactivate your page if you want to take a break from TikTok. Otherwise, you can just delete your page permanently. Thus, if you want to delete account, just select Delete Account Permanently option. TikTok will ask the reason you leaving TikTok. You can choose one of the reason here and then just click Continue. In this page, you are allowed to download your TikTok data before you delete your account. If you wish to download, just simply tap on Request Download. Otherwise, just go to below here and tick this one. Then, tap on Continue. Keep in mind that you only have 30 days to reactivate your TikTok account. Thus, if let's say you want to change your mind, you can always restore your account by logging in within a period of 30 days. After the 30 days, your TikTok account and data will be permanently deleted and you can't get it back. To confirm your decision, just simply tap on Continue. Now, you are required to verify your account. Then, tap on Delete Account button to delete your TikTok account. So, that's it, the tutorial on how to deactivate or delete your TikTok account in 2023. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.